Welcome to Haiku Deck. Today, we'll be going through how to create your very own presentation or deck. To begin, please take the time to sign in using your email and password. However, if you have not yet signed up for an account, please take the time to create a new account. Once you are signed in, you will land on this homepage where you will find your various options. To begin creating, please select the Screen tab, Create New Deck. This is the page where you will spend most of your time editing your presentation. To begin, please name your deck. Once your deck is named, you can then change this lock icon for your privacy settings. You can change it to public, restricted, or private, depending on who you want to see this presentation. On the left, you will see various editing options. The first option is this orange T. This is where you will select the type of slide you would like to use for your presentation. Once you have that selected, you can then change the background. You can insert a picture, use a chart, or customize a color. If you'd like to further customize your color, simply select on the color and then move this around to change your shade. Now that the base of your slide is created, you can change the layout. The layout will vary depending on which theme you had originally selected in this section. Once you have your material laid out in your layout, you can also insert a video clip. If you have already found a video you would like to use, add the URL right here. If you have not yet found a video, simply search for a video. If you would rather insert your own recording or narration to your slide, select this blue icon. Now that you like the way your slide looks, you can also add additional notes to go with the material you will be presenting. Lastly, to change and edit your slide, if you don't like the font that has already been selected for you, you can go through these and play with them to change the font until you find one that you prefer. Once your slide is finished, you can add additional ones, hitting this plus sign in the bottom right-hand corner. You can now take the time to create more slides using the following options for editing that we have looked at previously. Once you have completed your deck, you can now save your deck either as a video, you can share it, or you can download it. If you don't want to do either of those options, you can simply just present it. This is what your screen will look like when you go to present it to your class. When you are finally finished with this deck, you can go back to your home page. Your home page is where you will find your collections. Much like a folder, you can name your collection and add to them as you make more presentations. All you do is collect a new collection and name it. Then you submit it, and you can add to your collection by clicking the green tab, and you can open it in your deck. And that is how you use Haiku Deck.